Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for July 19. Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago government officials have worked out in principle an approach to deal with issues related to the acquisition and merger of Air Jamaica by Caribbean Airlines. The development resulted from high-level talks held Wednesday between Transport Minister Dr. Omar Davies and his Trinidad counterpart. Calling the meeting positive, Dr. Davies told Jis News that the fate of the Air Jamaica brand, Caribbean Airlines debt and other key issues were addressed.
We have resolved an approach to clearing the outstanding obligations, financial obligations. As regards the brand, the Air Jamaica brand, we're putting up a team, putting up a working group to examine the issues.
Minister Davies says that working group will report to him and his Trinidad counterpart, following which a submission will be made to Cabinet. Discussions between Jamaica and the International Monetary Fund continue next week when a team from the IMF arrives in the island for meetings to begin on July 23. This follows talks with the fund in Washington, D.C. last week. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says the new round of meetings will be used to further advance discussions on important issues, including Jamaica's economic program and prior actions to be undertaken.
This mission of July will be followed up by a larger negotiating mission in the month of September. It is our hope and our expectation that we will be able to conclude negotiations with the staff so that the board of the fund will be able to take a decision in the last quarter of this calendar year.
National Security Minister Peter Bunting and Police Commissioner Owen Ellington have hailed the efforts and successes of the Anti-Lottery Scam Task Force in curtailing the illicit lottery scam emanating out of Western Jamaica. They were speaking at this week's Jamaica House press briefing. Minister Bunting said since its establishment in January, the task force had been phenomenally successful in seizing the proceeds and assets derived from the criminal activity, stressing that the lotto scam posed a clear and present danger to the country's security. He said the security forces had been given a free hand to conduct their investigations and make any necessary arrests.
The security forces know that no one in this society, regardless of their position or political affiliation, will get any political protection from this administration, nor should they.
Commissioner Ellington says to date the Anti-Lottery Scam Task Force has made well over 100 arrests. A new Solicitor General has been appointed by the Public Service Commission. The PSC has also announced the appointment of a new Chief Executive Officer for the Registrar General's Department. Nicole Foster Pusey, who served in the Attorney General's chambers between 1993 and 2008, is the new Solicitor General. Meanwhile, RGD's new CEO, Deidre English Goss, is an attorney at law who has served in various capacities in a number of public sector agencies, including the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, the Companies Office of Jamaica, and the Broadcasting Commission. Both appointments take effect on August 7. And finally, government's information arm has launched its signature contribution to the celebration of Jamaica's Golden Jubilee. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner welcomed the publication of JIS's 50-year photo album as a timely reminder that the nation had a history of overcoming challenges and much to celebrate.
History is important in guiding our perspective. Instead of becoming prey to myopia and marred in the present difficulties and challenges, let us bolster our confidence with lessons from history and let us blaze a trail of success.
Our Golden Jubilee, snapshots of post-independent Jamaica 1962 to 2012, chronicles the moment of independence, the installation of prime ministers, the arrival of international figures, cultural milestones, and other marquee moments in the nation's history.
Our hope is that it will be the indelible guide to an unfolding adventure into the future over another 5 decades and beyond.
The JIS is now taking orders for the collector's item at its headquarters, 58A Halfway Tree Road, or on the website jis.gov.jm. A copy has been gifted to the people of Jamaica through the National Library of Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.